Right, my first video in a little while because we've been super busy. So, just want to show you how very basic things can cause what look like confusing problems. We have a Renault Espace here. This is a keyless Espace. So, just so you see I'm not tricking you, I'll put the key in anyway. Key going in. I don't know if you'll hear this. Right, so ignition is on. Press brake and clutch and start. I know it says press brake, but press them both on these because you never know which one's going to work and which one isn't. And hear that big click? Hear it again? This got recovered in as a non-starter. Has, unfortunately, because we're so busy, been sat in the car park for over a week without being looked at. But that's unfortunately not our fault, you know. The cars that are booked in take priority and we get to the breakdowns as and when we can. So, first things first, take the key back out. I hate these for turning ignition off. Right, ignition off, door opens so it shuts down. And then I'll show you what we found very, very quickly. So, as you normally would in these situations, you get your booster back, just try and get the vehicle started. You connect to your earth, and you connect to your live. Tried the first post, didn't do anything. Tried the second post, it did. It's the 5 post terminal. Nothing crazy unusual, might have a bit of corrosion, a bit of dirt. So we get her up and running. We get our little, in this case I'm just using this power probe because it's a handy little thingy. Then we've got, can you see that? Post 1, 11.5 volts, post 2, 11.5 volts, post 3, 11.5 volts, post 4, 11.5 volts, post 5. What have we got there? What's happening? Going mental. Going absolutely berserk. Hold on. 15 volts. All because, you can see this. Loose terminal, see the sparkiness? Whoa, look, it's deadly. There we go, nice easy fix. So, got our terminal off just to make sure there was no underlying issues there, and there doesn't appear to be. And now we have, I haven't checked this yet, I don't want to look silly, so hopefully we've got, yeah, battery voltage. Battery voltage. Battery voltage. Battery voltage, and battery voltage, and so that you can see, I'm not dicking it around. We kill the engine. And it fires straight back up, see? It's coming on the back of a flatbed for that, unfortunately. There we go. A nice, easy fix. 99.9% of the time, nothing is that easy, but sometimes it's not too bad. And next, he wants a new key. So let's get a key ordered and programmed. These are proximity 3-button keys. No one makes these, so we've got to buy these from Renault.